Hi, I'm Jessica Shalloe with FloodGate Medical, and I lead our orthopedic and spine commercial talent acquisition, and I'm here today to share another edition of our Buzz Report from last week's successful ASPN meeting down in Miami Beach. The intimate show featured some really exciting, forward-thinking companies with the latest cutting-edge technology in pain and neuroscience. It was awesome to learn about the missions of these incredible innovators and how they're improving patient care and the quality of life. Speaking of improved outcomes and real patient stories, we got a chance to join Vertos Medical on their tour bus and had a live discussion about their Know Your Backstory national tour. They visited multiple cities to educate, engage, and drive awareness of the enlarged ligament and encourage people to be screened for lumbar spinal stenosis. Hear what the Vertos leaders, Steve and Amy, have to say from their tour bus.
So the Buzz at Vertos, we're here at ASPN in Miami on the final stop of our Know Your Backstory Tour campaign, which is a national healthcare awareness campaign designed to educate patients about a condition, lumbar spinal stenosis, that they may or may not be aware of, can be originated from an enlarged ligament. And this whole experience is designed to help create patient awareness and let them know there are other options, that they can go see an interventional pain physician or another spine health practitioner and get the right diagnosis to navigate their healthcare journey in a way that they may not have ever known was possible. And Amy, I'll turn it to you. I know you've been instrumental in building the campaign. Any thoughts?
It's really been a fun time. We've been going up and down the East Coast talking about, as Steve said, this national health awareness campaign and really bringing awareness to both patients as well as referring physicians that the enlarged ligament could be the cause of low back pain and that there are interventional pain specialists that they can go to get help.
This is just the beginning for Vertos, and it was truly incredible to see how their minimally invasive, mild procedure has helped LSS patients rewrite their backstories nationwide. Another company I want to highlight is Merit Spine, who is truly living out their vision of advanced outcomes made simple with their revolutionary solution for treating spinal compression fractures. They saw a huge challenge in these procedures and created Arcadia, a next-gen spine balloon system and the first balloon in over 20 years that uses one needle instead of two. Arcadia is designed to achieve controlled, precise, targeted cavity creation, whether the approach is unipedicular or bipedicular. Its steerable balloon catheter also allows for changeable trajectory once inside the vertebrae. This provides optimal results while reducing procedural time and additional access incisions. Lastly, but certainly not least, is Vivex and their disruptive solution for disc degeneration. This causes lower back pain, and their Via Disc NP is an off-the-shelf processed human donor tissue allograft that supplements disc degeneration. This non-surgical transplant is mixed with saline and is delivered through a single spine needle. Its unique in vitro testing of nucleus tissue allows the disc to absorb water similar to the original tissue and has a quick, easy, proprietary mixing system to reduce the risk of contamination. Vivex is seeing significant growth with no signs of slowing down. These are just a few of the highlights from this year's ASPN show, and we want to thank all of the remarkable pain and neuroscience innovators that attended. It's truly incredible to see how these disruptive solutions are improving lives, and we're excited to see what's in store for the future of pain and neuroscience. Feel free to drop a comment below about what you found interesting at this year's show, and stay tuned for our next Buzz Report.